Okay, graphing lines. All right, a straight line we can write in different ways. Hopefully remembering from last year, the equation y equals mx plus b is an equation in slope and y-intercept form. M is the slope, and b is our y-intercept. So, we're going to use our straight edge graphing tool to graph some lines. Graph the line y equals 3x minus 5. So let's see. Let's match up what we're given. State this the y-intercept. Well, there it is. That y-intercept, b, equals negative 5. So again, the y-axis goes up and down. Negative 5, we put a negative 5 there. Applied it on the graph. Hey, I just did. State the slope. My slope, small m, equals 3. Remember that. That means, and it's kind of like a fraction 3 over 1, I'm going to go up 3 to the right 1. So from that point, I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, put a point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, put a point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, put a point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, put a point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, put a point. Repetition is key. If I need to go the other way so that I have points, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go down to the left so that that point is up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Now I've got enough points. I filled in my graph. Excellent. I take my straight edge drawing tool. I line it up so it goes through the middle. I continue past and I add arrows because that line goes on forever. I only need 2 points to know a line, 3 to confirm it's a straight line, but I'm going to put as many points as I can because if I just went through 2 points, look, that line goes through those 2 points the way I've drawn them, but that is not correct. Okay, use the slope to locate 2 points, then graph the line. I want 3 plus, and you're going to do them all. We have the time. So, is the line increasing or decreasing? Which one? So we're going to look from left to right. Is it going uphill or downhill? All right, so increasing means that way. Decreasing means that way. Climbing up the hill, going down. So this one is in fact increasing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Let's do the same thing again. Slope, y-intercept. So if I need to graph that, to show my knowledge, I'm going to state b equals 4. I'm going to put it up there. I'm going to state, actually say, slope m equals negative 2/3. That negative means I'm going to go down 2, and I'm going to go to the right 3. So from that y-intercept, or any point, I'm going to go down 2 to the right 3. Down 2 to the right 3. Down 2 to the right 3. Where is this point down 2 to the right 3 from? Oh, from that one. I have enough points. I filled the graph to make sure I'm super accurate. And practicing all my skills, I take my time to meticulously line this up. Strong solid line, arrows on the back. Increasing or decreasing? Well, this one's now going downhill. Well, that makes sense. Okay, flip the page. Let's do a few more examples. Get these gray matter moving here. Okay, state the slope and the y-intercept. Ooh, now I actually have to find that. So let's see, my slope, my y-intercept. Well, there's the y-intercept that can go through there. So b is 4. To find my slope, I'm going to pick 2 points that are nice and cross through axes. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. And I'm going to count. Let's count. Let's physically count. Oh, this one up. 1, 2, 3. This is how I'm showing my work. I'm showing that I'm actually counting. This one goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. So it went up 3 over 4. Now I can write the equation of the line. remember that it's going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So I fill in what I know. Oh, I found a slope, 3/4 or 3/4 x, and my y-intercept is a positive 4. Increasing or decreasing? Oh, look at it, going uphill, increasing. Let's do that again, shall we? Sounds like a great plan. Oh, there's my y-intercept too. Again, slope, let's find another point that goes through. Some nice numbers there and there. So I can do those two, I can do those. Let's see. If I just do those two, it goes down 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, but 3 blocks, they're each worth 2. So it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 6. And it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is -6/4. Reduce, reduce, reduce. So my slope is actually divided by 2, -3/2. Let's write the equation. Y equals -3/2 x plus 2. Is line increasing or decreasing? Going downhill, decreasing. So good, so good. Flip the page, and let's see. Intercepts. Intercepts are located where a line, or later on, our curve, crosses the x or y axis. So we're used to the y-intercept, but the x-intercept can be found along the x-axis, and the y value is 0. Right? So to use our x-intercepts, we're going to sub in y equals 0 into an equation. The y-intercept is found when the x value equals 0, or we can pull it from y equals mx plus b. We can pull it from the y-intercept in that form. So find the intercepts for the line 2x minus y equals 7. Then use these points to graph the line. So our y-intercept, we can either put into that form or, again, sub in that x equals 0. So if we sub in that x equals 0, well, 2 times 0 is 0. So I have -y equals 7 divided by -1 divided by -1. And y equals 7. So there's our y-intercept. Sorry, y equals -7. For our x-intercept, we're going to sub in that y is equal to 0. So we have 2x minus 0 equals 7. Divide by 2 on the left, divide by 2 on the right, and we have 7/2, which is 3.5. So that means that that point is 7/2 or 3.5, 0. It's just a point. We could sub in any value for x and find out what y is, and that would be a point on the line. So let's see, that's 3.5, 0. Remember, this point would be 0, -7. They're still points. So I have 2 points using my x and y intercepts. Grab that straight edge drawing tool, and I connect them. Fill the graph. Arrows on the end to say that it continues forever. Use the intercepts to determine the slope. Whew. Okay, slope of a line. Remember that? The rise over the run, or the change in y over the change in x. So let's sub in what we know. y2, 0. minus y1, so minus negative 7. And all that is over x2, 3.5, minus x1, 0. Slope is going to be negative times negative 7 is positive 7 over 3.5, take away 0. 7 divided by 3.5 is 2. So our slope is 2. Up 2. And watch the scales. Right? 1, 2. Over 2. Cool. It's really weird. My drawing is not that efficient. That's okay. All right. Find the intercepts for this line and use them to plot the graph. So again, I'm going to do x first. X comes before y, so let's do x-intercept. X-intercept, y is equal to 0. So let's sub that in. 5x minus 6 times 0 plus 30 equals 0. Negative 6 times 0, 0. 5x plus 30 equals 0. 5x equals negative 30. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals negative 6. So again, that's a point, negative 6, 0. For our y-intercept, we're subbing that x is worth 0. So 5 times 0 is 0. So we have negative 6y plus 30 equals 0. Take away 30, take away 30. Negative 6y equals negative 30. Divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. Y equals 5. So again, that would be a point, 0, 5. When x is 0, y is 5. 0, 5. Got my 2 points. Draw my line, add arrows. Use the intercepts to determine the slope of the line. y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Our slope, 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 take away negative 6 is 0 plus 6 is 6. And our slope is 5, 6. Cool. All right, flip the page. Oh. All right, there's some practice. Giddy up.